to use Egabee dashboard in a quick intro. So first I'm going to log in with my GitHub account. You can choose either GitHub, Google, or email password. And after I log in, I will see a project overview, which has show me the number of contract I have, wallets, and so on. Here also we can see the total alerts rule we created and total transactions across all over our contract tokens and wallets. So first I'm going to create a network to just show. Here I give a name, and then I can see a quick details of it. Here we give a quick insight about how the network is doing. Next I will move to the analytics. I can see the charts for the network that I just added, and yeah, you can see all the other charts here. And next I'm going to create an alert for my network. So whenever a failed transaction, for example, happen, I want to be notified. So I choose there are varieties of types. I choose the failed transaction, and I choose the network. Here I will choose the Corium mainnet, and here I can choose the destination, whatever I want. For example, if I want a webhook, I will add the webhook address that I want to give. And then when this alert happens, Egabee will make a post request to this address. Now let's save it. Here we can see the details of our alert. Failed transaction in Corium triggers whenever a failed transaction happens. So here we can see, or we can add the Slack. We have an Egabee bot that you need to authorize to your Slack workspace, and choose the channel that you want it to post, and that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna skip that. Yeah, we support Discord as well, and email, Telegram. So after this I can go and add a smart contract, or yeah, okay, before smart contract, let's go to the relayers. Here the relayers are IBC relayers. We need to choose the network first, and then we can choose the available relayers on the chain. And here I can give a name. I guess this is belong to for Bully, and yeah, I add it. Now I can also create alert for the relayer. For example, this will be executed, or this alert will be triggered only a new relayer is joined to the network. But in our case right now, that we just added one to our list. Okay, so next we can add a smart contract. If you want to, I'll grab just an address, the contract address that I know has a lot of transactions. So this is on Corium mainnet. I'll just give it a name, and here, yeah, if we go to the details, we can again see the quick overview, and we can upload the schema for our contract. This will help Egabee to know better what functionality exists in the smart contract, and also in the future will allow users to set more advanced alert rules, and also to create custom charts based on this. So to do that, we just get our JSON schema and we upload it. That's it. After uploading it, that's the Egabee will do the rest. Here we can go to see the transaction details for that. And for example, this is a failed transaction. If I go to check the details, I can see that this is the reason for this transaction failed. Account states is what when this transaction happen, the accounts or wallet address or contract addresses that has balance and it is affected by this transaction, then you will see it here. So previous balance was this and current balance was this, and the balance diff was this. So this is and also we show the contract that are involved in the transaction. You can, for example, click on the contract to see the details of the contract. If there was any other contract, we would see. Yeah, and you can see the messages that are executed, and for example, this is a smart contract, so we see what operation it had, and the events also are there. You can inspect them, the logs as well. So the next thing is that we can add a wallet address. This wallet address I know has some balance, so I want to show it. So after we add it, when we click the details, we will see that the balance in for the core Corium token, and we can see the transaction for these wallets we added just here my wallet, and I can see the transaction details. So if I see that the message execute contract, this was one of the transaction. Let's choose a different transaction. If yeah, apparently this mostly this account is doing transaction, executing contracts, but yeah, you got the idea that how and if we go to analytics back, we can choose the contracts we just added or the wallet addresses we added. Again, we will see get the full details of it, and we can create alerts for the contract or wallet that we added. Just for example, if I want to create a balance change for my wallet or contract, and I choose the operator, so I say that if the amount in this the balance in this account is reached to a certain is equals to a certain threshold, then I want to be notified. So in here we see that if 999 Corium tokens, the balance is equals to that, then I want to be notified. So here I can choose to active the webhook, and that's it. Yeah, now this when this condition is met, I will be receiving the alert. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching.